Just look on this tree here. All these birds, they just full all these branches with birds. I don't want to talk too loud. Birds is just everywhere. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I love birds. I don't know about you. Just listen to this. Wow. Thank you for watching, guys.
All I wanna do is be with you, always be the light, things on you, stars, sun, ocean, like things always there, uh-oh, 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 like things always there, my love, my stride, my moon, I will be there, uh-oh, uh-oh,
Just beautiful back
I'll
here.
be there for you. Everything I do is for you, baby. That is all I wanna do. Everything I know is for you, baby.
Guys, I come from a
Those
walk.
are for you,
And
baby.
I just have to show you this.
Everything I do is for you,
As you can see,
baby. That is all I
just so
wanna
beautiful.
do.
And there's a bumblebee right here. I don't know why I'm still whispering.
Baby, those are for you, baby.
Look how beautiful these are. Look at the sun. This is just about to flower. Oh, guys, these are just so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this bumblebee here. This up here. I don't know about you, but I go crazy when I see these flowers around. What is this? I've never seen this before. Gorgeous. This place is just lush. But look way over yonder. These look like lavender. Maybe it's wild lavender. Wow, I wish I could get over there. But no, I'm not. There we go. Just so beautiful. You should be here to see it with your naked eye. Summer is almost over, so I have to get the most out of summer by showing you guys all these flowers, because soon we're not gonna have these flowers anymore. We have 1 month of summer left, and I just have to enjoy it. I don't know if you could hear it, but just over on the other side, and there's a pond. Not so wildflowers. Oh, sorry about my finger, guys. Getting the camera. Jeez. That is pretty. So I passed some flowers back there. They look like lavender, but these, they're purple also, so I'm not sure. I don't think they're lavender. flowers. I hope my camera is picking it up. Well, here in Ontario, everywhere you go nowadays, it's all flowers, even on the highway. I don't know if someone walk around and sprinkle seeds everywhere so that these flowers can be grown everywhere. But I think it's going to be a problem later on if someone's doing this. Because guys, this is on the field. This is where children play. And so what they do is cut some part of the grass and leave some. So what are they doing? Saving the seeds because it's already in the field by cutting it. Look at this right here. Well, I'm not complaining, it's just I love to see these, but I don't want to see flowers everywhere. Look at this patch right here.
Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little face make me stay with you. Eyelashes moving softly.
And you can see how far I'm walking from. So you can just imagine it's everywhere. And this is the first year I've seen this. So hopefully later on they can control all these flowers that's growing everywhere. And I'm pretty sure they're coming back next year. They're gonna be dandelion cousins. And you can see how tall they grow as well.
Guys, you want to know what acorns are? If you look up in this tree, you will see acorns. And what happened is that the squirrel will get these when they fall off, or they will store it for winter. Basically, that's what it is, and it's a nut inside. And this tree is, I think, about ready to go. Acorn. Do you know what acorn is? It's a nut inside, and the squirrel will get these and store it for winter time. This tree is filled with acorn. I'm hoping you can see, but acorn is all over this tree. So these look green, but they're gonna be falling off soon. Acorn. Do you know what acorn is? It's a nut inside, and the squirrel will get these and store it for winter time. This tree is filled with acorn. I'm hoping you can see, but acorn is all over this tree. So these look green, but they're gonna be falling off soon.
Hey guys, just listen to this. Listen to all these birds. I don't want to talk too loud. So all these branches, or they're all birds on it. Just look at it. I hope I'm gonna show you around here, but I hope when I come back to it, they don't fly away. Look at that. It's all birds. So happy I ran into this. I love birds. I don't know about you. Oh my goodness. Let me show you around here. And for a moment you don't hear the birds anymore. Oh my gosh, there they go. Thank you for watching. Trying to get some of these beautiful flowers before fall's kicking. And as you can see, it's September the 4th. We still have all kind of flowers going. I'm not sure what is these ones. And you can see over there, it's all bird cherries, but honestly I don't think the birds eat it. And this tree is loaded with cherries. I just want to show you this bee. Bees everywhere. Yes, they're all collecting their supplies. And the pond is down here. And the music is playing. Everywhere I go, guys, there's music. Music is just everywhere. I cannot get rid of these music. Like they take over the whole place. And I can't get rid of it. Oh, guys. They spoil up my videos sometimes. Yeah, they just mess up my videos sometimes. And all these music, and then YouTube will tell me about copyright. Look at these. Gosh. Are they prickly? Let me see if they're prickly. Oh yeah, they're really prickly. So anyways, as you can see, these flowers are everywhere. It's not fall yet. And you can see back here again. If you know what type of flowers are these, let me know. It could be some medicine. I don't know. These ones are wild. I saw them grow in my garden too. Wildflowers everywhere. But they're beautiful. I mean, if you don't mind them, you don't have to buy flowers. As you can hear, cricket as well. It's like I don't need music in my background. You can hear these crickets. Trees are still green. No signs of changing as yet.